Yes, hello, welcome back to the revolution. Yes, so today we are going to be downloading the source files of the Osyanda project. Yes, the source code that's available on the repo. Yes, so below is the URL to the repo, github.com/mujunireal/Osyanda. Yes, so you can download the source code files. There are two ways to do this. One, if you want to contribute in the future after sending me an email. Yes, it's an operating project. Actually, I would like to invite you to come and participate. Yes, just leave your GitHub handle in the comment section, or you can send me a personal email. Yes, that's described on the channel page. Yes, so one way we are going to use Git. If you can install Git, the advantage with installing Git is that in the future you can collaborate, or you can use this method right here, download zip. Yes, so I have Git installed already, so I will just head on and install it using Git. So with downloading, we run this command, git clone, and then we paste in the URL of the project. Yes, so this is one way. So if I run this command, it will download the source code. Yes, so the source code is public, so anyone can clone it and build from their machine and make changes. Yes, so for those that don't have Git installed, you can run this command to install Git. Yes, so one other thing I would like to invite you to collaborate with the project. Please, we need your efforts because we're in this together. Yes, so I'm done cloning the repo. As you can see, if I'm to list the current working directory, we have the Osyanda folder that has been cloned. So if I navigate to that directory and list, we can see the files that make up this whole source code. Yes, so as you can see from the repo here, these are the same files that are existing: the crane bootloader, the Impala, the Savannah file system, and all these. Yes, as you can see, they're the same that are showing up here. Yes, so those that don't feel like following on with the videos, this README file has almost everything, as you can see, how to build and run the system. Yes, so for those that can follow up with the README file, can just skip to the part where we actually just run the operating system with box. Yes, just that like I'd said, box, we shall do a try and error. We run this. If it's not available, we proceed with installing the required libraries. Yes, so please show some love, like, share, subscribe, and I deeply invite you to come and join in on the project. Yes, goodbye, cheerio.